Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of CB Automator, which launched on the 14th of August at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from Ankur Shukla, and what it actually is. The CB stands for ClickBank, and it's a great way for newbie affiliate marketers or wannabe affiliate marketers or struggling affiliate marketers to get themselves set up with a great review site with everything completely done for you, and to be able to sell offers from ClickBank with guaranteed instant approval. So what this site actually consists of, it's a WordPress plugin. If you don't know how to install a WordPress site, don't worry, because I've got a bonus included which will sort all that out for you very easily, so don't worry about that. If you do, then obviously it's no issue. And what this will actually do, it will instantly create a site, and it will add new content and new upload every single day, so new content with a new offer. And your site will be gradually populated with all of these ClickBank offers that are hard-coded with your affiliate link. They'll come complete with full reviews. They'll come complete with videos that people can watch, site demos. And then after they've done that, they'll just click through and go to the sales page for that particular product, which will be hard-coded with your affiliate link. And all you have to do is wait for those commissions to come in. There's also automatic sharing in by social media to get you free traffic. That is all included as well. But beta testing on this, folks, has in any case, just by students using these sites and nothing else, has been regularly producing between $50 to $100 a day in completely passive income. So it's a really great system for newbies. And so if this is something that sounds like it's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up CB Automator from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And as usual, folks, I really don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of CB Automator, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. So what exactly is CB Automator? Well, do you want a proven way to make real money online? Watch how you can launch a new affiliate site in just 60 seconds and get paid up to $1,200 a month in ClickBank commissions without writing any content or making any reviews or doing any manual work. You can click and have a look at the demo video, which is on my bonus page, which will show you Ankur making a new affiliate site in just 60 seconds flat. So this is the sales video.
Did you know that you can now create an affiliate site and promote products from ClickBank in just 60 seconds?
So I strongly recommend that you watch this sales video. It's only on the sales page. On my page, there is the demo video from Ankur, which is about 5 or 6 minutes long, and it will show you exactly how to set up a site. It's dead easy, folks. Anyone can do this, really. Some sites purport to be easy when they're a little bit technical, but this one really isn't. This is very, very straightforward. And you can see the results here of some of the beta testing. If you actually want to click on here, you can actually see some of the beta testing results.
Now let me log into my ClickBank account.
So you can see some of the proofs there. But I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page, folks, because obviously you can read that for yourself. But what I will do is head over and have a look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link immediately underneath, you'll come through to this page here, and this review video that we're just making will be in there. What's ClickBank Automator all about? Well, it's fully automated affiliate site building software. You can install the plugin and create an affiliate site in 60 seconds. It automatically imports and publishes product reviews for top ClickBank offers. It comes preloaded with 30 of them on the front end. You can add images and calls to actions. There it is. You can add 30 articles to your site in one click. It comes with preloaded content instantly importable to your site. The recommendation is that you add one new review per day for 30 days. Automatically share your new website articles on social media. You can add product banners, HTML code as well to appear around the article. So if you've got other things that you want to promote on this site. So, for example, you could, if you're a member of my group, the Elite Tigers group, you could add some banners from some of the sites in the Elite Tigers group to go around the reviews and get some more sign-ups that way. You can share articles on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and 7 other social sites for traffic. It comes with instant approvals to 30 affiliate offers, and you can earn between 50 and 75% commissions from these affiliate offers for every sale that you make. And here's the demo video showing you how easy it is to set it up. So let's just have a quick look at that.
Here's Ankur Shukla here, and today I want to show you the CB Automator software that we have built that actually allows you to create a fully functioning ClickBank affiliate site that actually starts earning you commissions automatically. And this comes fully loaded with content, article reviews, and product reviews as well.
All right, so I strongly recommend that you watch this. In fact, don't buy it without watching this, really, folks. This is the key part of the demo here. So my custom bonuses, the first thing, as I said, I was going to sort you out for a WordPress site if you don't currently have one. This is the easiest demo that I've ever seen for building a WordPress site from scratch. It comes from super affiliate John O. Armstrong. It's called WordPress for Dummies, and it pretty much is, whatever level of expertise you are at, you'll be able to follow these step-by-step instructions and easily have a WordPress site up and running. Next, I'm going to give you it's training from Jono himself, a complete introduction to affiliate marketing. So he will tell you all the basics that you need to go through to get set up as a newbie marketer in affiliate marketing. The next one is Super Affiliate Secrets with Patrick Chan. Now, this is a ClickBank product, which is why I've chosen this particular tutorial, because for a long time, Patrick Chan had the all-time best-selling offer on ClickBank. So he is going to share with you some of his super affiliate secrets that enabled him to have this amazing success on ClickBank, and you can hopefully replicate some of that success. The next tutorial I'm going to give you is El Bandito. Now, obviously, we're talking about ClickBank here, but this is another course from Brendan Mace, which actually shows you how to get guaranteed approval for some offers on Warrior Plus and JV Zoo that you can then easily go out and promote. And finally, the secret weapon, which is a nice training from Eric Kaji. I actually tried this method. It's a slightly unusual method, and I actually got earnings of $28. I always tell this story within 2 hours of setting this method up. So I set this up one Saturday afternoon a few months ago after doing the training, and 2 hours later I had my first commission from this product, which is probably the quickest ever return that I've ever had from any product. So I like the secret weapon, and I think you'll enjoy it as well. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, which, as you can see, add quite a bit of value onto the front end. So let's head back to CB Automator. It's 100% newbie friendly and fully automated. Here's all the usual set of testimonials you'd expect. How do you use this? You upload the plugin into your WordPress site. Don't worry, that's dead easy, and it shows you how to do it. You add your ClickBank affiliate ID, so you will need to join ClickBank if you haven't already joined ClickBank as a member to be able to promote these offers. That is dead easy to do as well, folks. You just give a bit of personal information and you get set up. And ClickBank, by the way, there are no PayPal issues at all with ClickBank, because they use their own dedicated PayPal account. So no PayPal accounts are ever exposed in ClickBank. The money will be paid directly into your bank account every Wednesday, regular as clockwork. 100% safe to do affiliate marketing with ClickBank, folks. No exposure whatsoever to PayPal or anything else. You set this up, the number of articles you want imported every day, so 1 new review every day, and then you just add your ClickBank ID. It's as simple as that. Everything else will be done for you. And as you can see, these are some of the products that will be loaded on every day into your store or your site. Here's that review video again. Imagine being able to create ready to promote affiliate sites very quickly. Blah, blah, blah. I'll let you read the rest, as I said, of the sales page yourself. 12 amazing features that come built into this. Instant launcher, just upload the plugin. and get content without any work. Earn unlimited commissions from a top affiliate network with guaranteed approval. Preloaded with 30 affiliate product review articles all done for you. Automatically adds videos, images, graphics, and calls to action. As you'll see when you watch the video, there's a pop-up that comes up to encourage them to purchase. Automated traffic built in. Built-in automatic product recommendations that suggest other products that your visitors can buy. You get a fully mobile-ready website. You get automatic plugin updates and automatic content updates daily. Built-in banner system, special high conversion boxes. That's what I was just talking about. Fully SEO'd. A simple, easy and powerful admin area lets you control, edit and manage your site. Bonuses that you'll get, and there are some extra ones as well that Anchor's given me to give to you. First bonus is live training on making 100k a year in easy passive income. Second bonus is a WordPress theme for CB Automator sidebar theme. And the third bonus is a recommended theme for CB Automator Marinate theme. So there's 2 themes that you're getting there as well. And the price for this, $14.95, folks, on the front end. $14.95. Very, very good value for this. And you've got 100% 30-day money-back guarantee if for some reason you don't get on with CB Automator. But why you wouldn't, I've got no idea, because it's very, very simple to use. I've also got some vendors bonuses that Anchor has given me to give to you. Now you'll need to manually claim these, folks, so you just need to drop me a line to drop me a line to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. That's contact at elite, ELITE, tigers plural group, elitetigersgroup.org. Contact at elitetigersgroup.org. Just put the title CB Automator vendor bonuses. All right, CB Automator vendor bonuses. Send me your receipt and I will send you all of these links to get these bonuses for all these products. So we've got Facebook training masterclass, WordPress delayed widgets plugin, premium wallpaper site WordPress themes, Pinterest marketing guide, Reddit marketing guide, Instagram marketing guide, Shopify marketing guide, WordPress left behind, WordPress internet marketing graphics, WordPress sales robot, WordPress checkout maximizer, WordPress feedback pro, WordPress review me, WordPress cache-o-matic, WordPress profit page creator, WordPress reports plugin, WordPress bot blocker plugin. That's a tough one to say, and they are all going to be included from Anchor with his compliments. So just drop me that email, contact at elitetigersgroup.com. Just put CB Automator vendor bonuses as the subject line in your email, and just include your receipt, and I'll send you all those by return. Okay, the upsells with this, folks. The pro version is $47, and with that you get the chance to automatically add SEO tags to your articles. You can also automatically build backlinks, automatically turn your articles into PDFs. You can automatically share PDFs to PDF site networks, automatic content spinning for your reviews so they look different to everyone else's, integrate with multiple top content spinners, one-click turn articles into videos, one-click upload and publish review videos on YouTube, show related offers under product reviews and articles for external offers, add free offers and opt-in forms to your site, build your list from your site automatically, store unlimited email leads on your site, and turn specific keywords into affiliate links automatically and earn commission. So all of that is included with your pro version. Watch the video for full details, and that is $47. Now the one that I particularly recommend is $27, which is your monthly content. So obviously you're getting 30 offers included, folks, for your site, but you can also get content added every single day with the monthly offer, and that's $27, folks, per month, and that will just keep this turning over for you, so you can just set and forget it, and every day of the year, literally, you will get new content added. Excuse me. The next upsell is your developer license, which is $47. Next upsell is a hosting deal, which costs $97, and then site setup, if you want everything completely done for you, that is $77. The one, obviously, the pro version is worth thinking about, and I would particularly recommend this monthly content. Sorry, I'm going to sneeze. Oh dear, sorry about that, folks. Something's obviously gone the wrong way there. All right, folks, so that is pretty much it. I think this is really good. It's great. It's very newbie friendly. I really like this. I think for those of you that have struggled with affiliate marketing or haven't really got started yet, this would be a really cool way to get up and running. So if you want to pick this up, as I said, it's a cheap price, under $15 at the moment, and get all of these other bonuses, which I think are pretty good. Click on the green button there. That will take you through to here. Click on here to download your copy. And then that will bring you back into your members area at Warrior Plus. Click on receipt, access your purchase to access your CB Automator, and then click on the blue button to access all my custom bonuses. That's pretty much it, folks. I'm going to give this 4.5 out of 5 because I really like it. I think it's great, and it's it's a real hands-off way to make money. Everything's completely done for you with just a few minutes work in the setup. It's really pretty straightforward, and then away you go with a new ClickBank offer to sell every single day. And if you take that monthly one, then you'll have a new ClickBank offer all year. You can just work, the site will work in the background and earn you money. What could be better than that? So that is it, folks. Thanks very much as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of CB Automator.